Sometimes the excuses that we give for not doing certain things or certain tasks may pull us down. Sometimes these are the things that drags us down. So if myself I actually decide to give an excuse for not doing certain things, then these things that I was supposed to achieve at the end of a certain period, then I will not be in a position to achieve, because the excuses always arises each and every time. So if I give an excuse for not keeping poultry at the right time that I was supposed to start, that if I keep that excuse, then it means that that project is going to stop. That project is not going to start at all. So these excuses of saying there are no funds, we don't have the resources, sometimes may pull us behind. Sometimes these things, we need to use what we have. We have the brain, we have the sight to see, and we also have the language to use. We can lure some people, we can attract some people actually to decide and to finance the projects that we have. We have the loan, for example. I personally, I am now a grown up, yeah, I can say that, and I can decide for myself. I can also liaise with other people, with other companies. You also have these charmers in the villages, so you can just chip in those charmers, join them, and then you borrow loan from those charmers, and then you start your business, and it is going to thrive. So if you are giving excuse for not starting something that you are planning, then it means that thing will never be implemented. It will never come to succeed, because you'll give this excuse today, tomorrow you give another excuse, and then another time maybe you have now implemented it, and this poultry keeping now wants to be prepared, now wants to be increased and expanded. Then you will give an excuse for not expanding it. Maybe you talk about the finance, you talk about the losses. Each and every business that you engage in, there must be a loss if not taken care of. So for example, we are keeping our poultry here in this compound, and we have experienced some losses once in a while, and even just recently I told you we lost around 8 birds here. So that is a loss, it is not a profit. So we are not counting it as an excuse. We will never excuse ourselves, and we will never allow ourselves to be dragged down or behind by such things. Losses are there, and the only thing that you can do is just to sustain and also look for a way of reducing those losses from happening in the future. So these things actually propels you, it pushes you forward. So when you encounter losses once in a while or more frequently, then it makes you learn on new things. Look, for example, you find a person having a land, a piece of land like this, leaving it to lie idle. That is also another thing. Maybe giving an excuse of not having the fertilizer, not having the seeds to plant. So look at it. You plant a small piece or a section of land with millet. You look at it, we have millet here. We have bananas over there. We have maize plantations over there. And at the back here, you have, let me show you clearly, we have the cows. So everything here counts. We also have a small thing here. Let me show you very closely. We have beans inside. I think when I showed you the other time, let me just move closer. And also in this side we have this. What do you call this? Are these the spring onions? This is an onion with the leaves. The leaf are the onions with the leaf that we eat the leaves of these onions. So we have these kales I showed you. We also have other kales inside this banana plantations. Let me move closely. We have and I want to show you the beans that we have inside here. We also have the tomatoes. We planted just a small piece of land with tomatoes. See, this one is just only for consumption. Look at that. Look at that. The only thing that is remaining for these tomatoes is to be cultivated, and then you look at it, you will see they will change. Look at the beans here. So that is it. And whenever you are doing something, please never let an excuse to determine your success. So always look for a climbing tree, or let me say a climbing ladder. Look for something you will use to climb from one point to another. So guys, allow me to end this video from here, and we meet next time. Bye bye. Weldon Kuru is my name. Like, subscribe, and share the videos, and that way we are going to bring to you such videos and also amazing videos of such kind in our next episode. Bye bye for now.